If you're looking for a quick and easy way to preview your Practice Better page before you hit publish, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to ensure that everything looks perfect and functions the way you want, so your audience gets a seamless experience when you go live. Stick around to the end, and I'll share some top alternatives you might want to consider, including one that could be a game changer for your business. Let's dive in. So, the first thing you'll want to do is log into your Practice Better account. This is pretty standard, but what's key here is that you want to have your page ready and in draft mode before previewing. This allows you to make any last minute changes without affecting your published page. Next thing, once you're in your dashboard, go to the Page Builder section. You'll see your page listed under the Website tab. Click on it to open the page editor. Here's where the magic happens. You'll get a chance to see exactly how your content is laid out and how it'll appear to visitors. Make sure to check out both the desktop and mobile versions. Practice Better gives you a way to toggle between these views easily. Now, let's talk about editing and tweaking. The third thing you should pay attention to is the alignment of your text and images. Even a small misalignment can throw off the entire page. Make sure the text is easy to read and that your images are scaled correctly for both mobile and desktop views. The fourth thing to note is your call to action buttons. You want to be sure that your buttons are visible, compelling, and linked to the right pages. Preview the button text too. Sometimes you may need to tweak it to be more action-oriented. If your goal is conversions, make sure your buttons stand out without being over the top. Next thing, remember to test your links and forms. It's easy to overlook them, but this can be a deal breaker for your users. Try every link, click through any forms, and make sure all the interactions are working smoothly. You don't want to publish something only to find out that a key feature is broken. Now that you've previewed everything, it's time to look at the performance side of things. Does the page load quickly? If not, it might be worth revisiting your content or image sizes to ensure it's optimized for fast loading times, especially on mobile devices. Finally, after double-checking everything, it's time to consider how it looks from your user's perspective. Are you truly offering a seamless experience? Put yourself in the shoes of your audience and imagine navigating through the page as if you were visiting for the first time. But before you hit that publish button, let me tell you, there are other tools out there that might be more suited to your needs if you're really focused on converting leads or building a better customer journey. Practice Better is solid, but if you're looking for more robust features or a better overall workflow, you might want to check out Insert Competitor Software here. They offer a more flexible, intuitive platform, and I personally believe they might serve your business goals a bit better. Speaking of which, I've got an exclusive offer for you. If you're interested in trying Competitor Software, through the link in the description, you'll get an extended free trial with exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. And if you're still set on using Practice Better, no worries, they offer a free trial too, and you can check it out through our link for the best deal possible. So, that's it for today's quick tutorial. Make sure to preview your Practice Better page carefully, but if you want a more streamlined experience, consider trying out other software. Let me know in the comments which one you think is the best for your needs.